everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ng reaction video ang VAR. I really don't know what is the meaning of VAR, 3-round rhythm roller coaster practice video. So I'm not pretty sure I'm going to speak in English or in Tagalog because some of our viewers as well cannot understand Tagalog, should I say. But then again, okay, let's just try and speak in Taglish, alright? So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. Oh, there are two videos actually. The one is the practice video and then the other one is the, let me just check that one. The practice video and the, okay. Parehas naman pala. Parehas naman pala na practice video lahat. Wait. Practice video. May moving eh. May moving. Yeah, the practice video and at the same time the moving one. So we have to make a reaction video, at least 2 videos. Or I think I will gonna combine the said videos. Alright. Vocals. Oh, the practice one is too far. Okay, here in the practice video, we will something like they are showcasing here the musicality of their body as well, and then the other one is the, what do you call this? The footworks. Ang footworks talaga nila. Love that. Grabe yung transition talaga ng vocals. Okay. Ganda na. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ang ganda ng kanilang ang ganda ng kanilang footworks. Ganda ng footworks, so. Descending notes. Ang shuwaibo ko. Ang xiaolongbao ko, oh. Pak! Chin-A. GN, that is JL. I know that Steven. It's really hard to recognize their faces. Nakatingin lang ako sa footworks nila. We're gonna combine 2 videos here, right? Steven. Oh, ganda, oh. Ganda. Ganda ng footworks nila. Oh, yes. Ang ganda ng execution nila, no? Yung ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Tinan mo, ha? Ganda. Grabe yung musicality. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Ganda ng musicality ng katawan nila. Grabe yung synchronization. Si Shuaibo. Yung xiaolongbao ko, exceladora talaga yung xiaolongbao ko. At the end, suffer. Okay. Eksena, oh. Pa. Is it Daisuke, right? Ta-na-na-na-na. Ganda ng kanilang footworks. Their footworks. Chin, she, and... Oh! Wait, may na-slide dun, di ba? Na-slide siya, no? Is that JL, right? I don't know, it was... Intention ba? Oo, intention. Intentionally. Oo, I thought na-slide siya. Diba? Very attentive talaga tayo pagdating sa ganito. Steven. Okay, we will, ay, ano yung napindot ko? Sorry. We will gonna do another, God, GOT7. Another reaction video as well. Ito naman yung makikita natin yung kanilang facial expression and everything. Ito na siya. Oh, ni Sheehan. Oh, ang laki ng improvement ni Sheehan, no? Daisuke. Ganda ng shoes nila. Oh my God, is GL? Oh my God, nakakaloka. Oh, guwapo. Maganda nung descending notes dyan. Narinig ko lang yun yung descending notes na yun sa Magnet na song ng BGYO. Yung nag-hit sila ng descending notes. Ang song nun is Magnet from BGYO. Ang ganda nun. Ang gwapo ni Chien. Steven. Daisuke. Gwapo ni JL, the facial. Kinikilig ako sa facial expression ni JL. Alam mo kasi si JL, para siyang nagbibinatang nagpapakyut. Ang cute na cute ako sa kanya. Ayun, natin mo yung facial expression. Tapos binabounce pa yung buhok niya. May pag-ganun-ganun pa siya. Pag-ganun-ganun pa siya. Cutie niya talaga. Cutie talaga siya. Oh, ang arte-arte niya talaga. Sobrang arte mo. Ang sarap mong ibulsa. Oh, ang arte-arte niya talaga. Wait, Steven. Lalaki talaga siya. Yung parang maninira talaga siya ng buhay ng babae. Hindi pong alam yung uululin ka niya talaga. Alam mo yun? Guess mo yun? This is Denzel, right? Facial expression. Wow, Steven. May gusto akong makita. GM pala yun. Wait lang, kung nadulas ba talaga yun? Kung ganun ba talaga yung execution? Nadulas ba siya? Sa last part yun eh. Si JL yun. Cutie. Okay. Ganda ng footworks nila. Oh my God. Oh my God, the footworks. Ganda ng footworks nila. This one. Tingin. Ay, hindi naman siya nadulas ah. Practice video kanina, nadulas siya. Ganda ng... Oh my God, their footworks. Oh, okay. Yeah, sadya yan. Intentional. Ay, Xiaolong Bao ko. Oh, eksenadora din siya, no? Hey, all right, there you go, guys. That is our for today's video, which is the roller coaster practice video and then the moving cam version. In fairness, I love it. This is Keisha Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.